Are you Mary Johnson?
Yes. Is everything okay?
I have an eviction notice for you. Right. Time's up. Take your things and go.
What? No, please, sir. I thought I had until 5 p.m. I'm doing this all by myself.
No, you had your chance. This house has been sold in foreclosure. So either leave willingly or you'll be arrested for trespassing. Your choice.
You don't understand. My husband, he left me with nothing. I have nowhere to go. I just need a little more time.
Look, lady, that's your problem, not mine.
Please. Help me.
The only person that can change the decision is the person who owns this house. Now, I'm not going to ask you again. Gather your things and leave.
Excuse me, sir. I'll handle it from here. Ma'am, everything's going to be okay.
Buddy, I don't know who you think you are, but this woman is being evicted. And the only person that can stop that is the owner of this house.
Well, she is the owner of this house. I have the title. Whose name is on there?
Mary Johnson. I don't understand.
I purchased the house from foreclosure. I put Mary's name on it, and now she's the owner.
I had no idea. I'll leave you two be.
I can't believe this. I don't know what to say. Why would you do this? You don't even know me.
Well, you see, when I was a child, I was saved by a stranger who completely changed my life.
Excuse me. I'm sorry to bother you, but I really need help.
Are you okay?
No, I don't have anywhere to go or any money for food. Please. I don't know what to do.
Oh, sweetie, where are your parents?
They both just passed away. I'm all alone. I don't have anyone else.
I am so sorry. Let me see if I have anything.
Okay, look. We've got our own problems. We can't be helping anyone else. Come on, let's go.
He's a child. I have some cash I can give him.
What are you doing? We can hardly afford rent this month. Besides, we don't even know this kid. He's probably going to use it to buy drugs.
What if he's telling the truth? I have to help him.
You are unbelievable. I can't watch this.
You know what? Just take it all. I hope it helps.
Thank you so much. But you don't even know me.
When you give, you always get more back in return.
But how am I ever going to pay you back?
Oh, you don't have to pay me back. Just promise me that when you get back on your feet, you'll help someone in need.
I promise.
Here. My mom always used to tell me, Mary Johnson, with this, you'll have good luck. Good luck.
As I grew older, I got into real estate because I never wanted to be homeless again. Over time, I ended up becoming one of the top real estate investors in town. And then recently, while checking the foreclosure listings, I saw a name that I would never forget. Mary Johnson. A name that changed my life forever. I was that boy. And I'll never forget the lesson you taught me. You told me you should always help those in need. Because when you give, you get back more in return.
Oh my God. I'm speechless. Thank you. I don't think I'll ever be able to repay you.
Mary, promise me, when the time comes and you're back on your feet, you'll help someone else in need.
Hey fam, it's Dar. I hope you love that message about how the goodness you put out into the world always finds a way of coming back to you. Thank you for watching my videos, and remember, we're not just telling stories, we're changing lives. And when you share my videos, you're helping to change lives too. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.